Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add PayPal to Google Pay. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, for this video, we are going through this Google Sports article. And as you can see, this is how you can add your PayPal to your Google Pay or Google Wallet. And as you can see, it is only available for US and Germany only. So now, all you need to do is just to add your PayPal account through your Google Wallet. So basically, on your Android phone or your iOS phone, you will need just to get the Google Wallet app, and basically by clicking on it, you will need just to click on Add Wallet, and basically it will be just a plus sign or Add Wallet that you will find at the bottom. Then you will need just to click on Tap Payment Card. It means you just choose payments card after clicking on the plus or the add to wallet, and then you will need to choose PayPal. After that, you will need just to link your PayPal account by following the screen instructions. That means you will need just to add your credentials of PayPal so they can have a link and that they will start linking. And basically, by following the screen instruction, you will need just to click on finish, or you will need just to connect to your PayPal account, and the link will automatically happen. And as you can see, before you make transaction, make sure you have sufficient funds in your PayPal balance account so you can avoid any problems or any errors. And basically, to remove your PayPal account again, you can do the same. You just go to your Google Wallets app and basically you choose your PayPal account that you have there on your wallet, and then you go to more or 3 points icon and you remove your PayPal payment method. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching. See you next time.